Imagine a world where videos are created in real time, without the need for expensive equipment or tedious editing software. This is the promise of live AI video generation, a technology that's been gaining traction in recent years. But is it a meaningful technical category or just a marketing term? To answer this question, let's dive into the world of AI video generation and explore what it's all about. First, it's worth noting that AI video generation is a broad term that encompasses a range of technologies, from simple video editing tools to complex algorithms that can create entirely new videos from scratch. Live AI video generation, on the other hand, refers specifically to the ability to generate videos in real time, using AI algorithms to analyze and respond to changing conditions. One of the key benefits of live AI video generation is its ability to personalize content. By analyzing data in real time, AI algorithms can create videos that are tailored to specific audiences or individuals, making them more engaging and effective. For example, a live AI video generation system could be used to create personalized product demos, where the video is generated on the fly based on the viewer's interests and preferences. Another key point to consider is the role of machine learning in live AI video generation. Machine learning algorithms are the backbone of this technology, enabling AI systems to analyze vast amounts of data and generate videos that are contextually relevant. However, the quality of the output is only as good as the quality of the input data, so it's essential to ensure that the data used to train the AI system is accurate and unbiased. In addition to personalization and machine learning, live AI video generation also raises important questions about copyright and ownership. If an AI system generates a video, who owns the rights to that video? Is it the creator of the AI system or the person who commissioned the video? These are complex issues that need to be addressed as this technology continues to evolve. Furthermore, live AI video generation has significant implications for the future of content creation. With the ability to generate high-quality videos in real time, content creators will be able to produce more video content than ever before and at a lower cost. This could democratize access to video production, enabling smaller businesses and individuals to create professional-looking videos without the need for expensive equipment or expertise. Finally, it's worth noting that live AI video generation is still a developing technology, and there are many technical challenges that need to be overcome before it becomes mainstream. However, the potential benefits are significant, and it's an area that's worth watching in the coming years. If you're interested in learning more about live AI video generation and its potential applications, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on this topic and other emerging technologies.